Alright. So today I will show you how to divide our months into quarters like this. January, February, March is Q1. April, May, June Q2. July, August, September Q3. And October, November, and December Q4, which is quarter four. So to change this, we have to follow this rule. This is what our final product will be: Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. So to change in Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, I have used the numerical form of the months. So for the numerical months, I have to divide each month number with 3. So this would be my products. After I divide my it with uh, number 3. So after getting this, I have to round up. So whatever, even if it is 0.0001, it will become 1 with the formula round up, like this, the round up formula, right? So even so up to this, if there is any number after decimal above 0, it will increase to uh, its higher number. Like 0 will become 1, 1 become 2, 2 will become 3. So after that, I have to add string q to each of these numbers. So I can get Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 if I add this. So let's do this, how to do that. All right. So first I will create date column, and I am mm, taking any random date. Okay, let's say 2016. So if I click here and put my hover my mouse over my cursor over this corner, it will change to different color, and I can drag. I can drag as much as I need. So, okay, all right, let's do up to this. So if I double click here, it will. So I got my date, and also I have to change. I will change this into table form, because once I change in table form, I can only have to write one formula. I don't have to copy paste it. So it has changed directly into table, everything in table. And now to, this is my final product, all right? This and this, which is same. This is my final product. So to get this number, I need to have the numbers. I need to, uh, my rule would be to get this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, the number form of the month. So to get this, so I will create one more column, which would be month number. All right. So let's double click here. Okay. So I will write a formula. So formula would be, there is a formula in Excel which is equals month, and it is asking me to add date. So for the date, I can click tab, which is this row. This add at the rate means from this table. All right. So right now I have two columns in my table, date and month number. So my dates are in my date column. So I will hit tab and close the uh, square bracket, close parenthesis, and enter. So see everything. So this is what I get if I don't change my formatting. So so see, this is not what I needed, right? I wanted this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I got the date. This is because due to this format. So if I change this format from date to general, okay, I got one. So let's do this everything. So I click here, change it to general. See, now everything changed to number. So month one is 1, 2 is February is 2, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, and 1 again. So see, we It worked. Now let's okay. So we have our numbers, right? So now we have to divide our numbers, month number, divide by how much? 3. So now we have month number. So what is the next step? We have to divide by our month numbers with number 3. So let's say I will write my column name divide by 3. Right? Double click. Okay. So to divide my numbers, I will do equals this one left arrow divided by 3. So it divided everything. So, after 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 4 divided by 3, 1.33. So now I will do add another column name, round up. So for the round up, I will use the formula round up and see it is asking for me, it is asking for a number and a number digit. So for the number would be my this number and I can hit comma and number of digits, which means how many digits do I need after decimal point. So I do not need any digits, right? So I will put 0 and close parenthesis, enter. So it rounded up. So see, point 0.6 is 1 and 1 is 1. 0.13, 1.3 is 2. Similarly, all is 3, 4, 1 again, right? So okay, now I have quarter number, but I don't have quarter image. All right. So so we have our numbers, right? So all we have to do is add q in front of each number. So guys, that is the most easiest part. So to do that, first I will create a column quarter, and that is I have to put q in a string form and end and what then I have to use this number, right? This column, round up column, so this one. So everyone changes to Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and again Q1. So we accomplished our aim. And so see Q1, Q2, and Q3, and Q4. So see, there are many uh, columns. These all are useless columns, right? So in Excel, or if you are dealing with data, large number of data, like the millions of data, then this will uh, create this will consume an extra space in our file. At the end, if our file is large, it will take longer time to load. And even if we share, download, it will take long time. So we have to delete these all 3 useless columns. So to delete these columns, I cannot delete like this, right? If I delete, everything will change. Control Z. So to delete this, I have to integrate this all formula in one column, right? So to do that, I will do step by step for you. So this is month, right? So what we did, we divided by 3. So with the month number, we can divide by 3 directly. We got the numbers, but see, this is in general form. See, we divided it, but like earlier, it changed to date form, right? But we don't need in date. We want in general form. If I click here, it will select even all the columns which don't even have our numbers, right? Like this. I don't need that one. So if I do select here, shift, control shift and down arrow, it will select only up to my final row. Can do I can put that in general form. So only up to my last column, my last row. Sorry. So I have I accomplished this one. Okay, it changed this number because it is taking number from this number, this column. So I have this. Now I have to do is to round up, right? So for the round up, let's do what is the formula for round up? Round up my column name and comma and zero, right? So to do that, let's do again this one to general. Okay, so let's do round up. Round up, and I have this number, and I can put comma zero, right? So if I close parenthesis, it changed. See, one, two, three, four, and one, two, right? So it changed. Now I did these two. Now what I have to do is just incorporate this column. So in this one, I have to only add Q in front of my number. So to do that, I'll click over here, write Q in string form, and enter. So changed Q 1, 2, 3, and 4. Q 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. So in this way, we can change our date in column form, in quarter form, and delete these all useless columns. Okay. Q1, Q2, Q3. So February, March in Q1, April in Q2, May Q2, June Q2, July Q3, Q3, right, same. January, February, March Q1, April, May, June Q2, July, August, September Q3, October, November, December Q4. All right, guys. So this is how we can change uh, our month in quarter form and create a nice report. All right. So this much for this video. See you in next video.